Welcome back. Let's do question 2.5. Dark tiles D and light tiles L are used to create patterns on a floor. The first 4 patterns are shown below. For the patterns that follow, the tiles are arranged in a similar manner. Which pattern will have exactly 64 light floor tiles? In the previous question, we managed to recognize that Ln is equal to n minus 1 squared, isn't it? Right, because we have 0, 1, 4, 9. We recognize that if you subtract 1 from the term number and square it, we get the term. Like we say, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 squared is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9. That's why we say n minus 1 squared. Subtract 1 from the term number and then you square the answer. That's the general term. So now the question is, which pattern will have exactly 64 light floor tiles? So it means we say 64 is equal to n minus 1 squared. Remember, this is a square binomial, so it is very easy to expand the square binomial. You square the first term and then multiply the product of this term and this term by 2. So it's going to be negative. You take this sign first, negative. Then it's going to be negative. Then 2 times n times 1, which is 2n. And then you square the last term, which is always positive, so it's plus 1. Or you can do it the long way. 64 is equal to n minus 1 times n minus 1. Is 64 is equal to n times n squared, n times 1, n times negative 1, negative n, negative 1 times n, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Then you get 64 is equal to n squared minus 2n plus 1. To see that we're getting our n squared minus 2n plus 1. 64 can be transposed to the right hand side. So 0 is equal to n squared minus 2n. 1 minus 64 is negative 63. Then we look for the factors of negative 63 that can give us negative 2. This negative 63 means that one factor is negative and the other factor is positive. Negative 2n means that the bigger factor is negative. So these factors are 9 and 7. So it means 0 is equal to n minus 9 and n plus 7. So therefore, n is equal to 9 or n is equal to negative 7. Right, can we have negative number of terms? No, it's impossible. So n is always a positive integer. So this is not applicable. And then we remain with n is equal to 9. So it means which pattern will have exactly 64 light floor tiles? It means pattern number 9 will have 64.